morning has a new beginning, a new blessing, a new hope. It's a perfect day because it's God's gift. Have a blessed and hopeful perfect day to begin with. Today, I, Rima Chukera, on behalf of 7th Day Personality Development classes. Today, we have a very interesting topic, that is how to achieve your goal faster. And friends, if you will listen this topic carefully, our today's session, you will get more. And I would like to call my friend Mrs. Lalita ma'am. Please come and tell about today's session to our viewers. Please come.
Thanks a lot, Rima. Good morning, friends. You are with me. I'm Lalita Ahuja, and welcome to Personality Development classes, the place to learn skills for the new world. Friends, as you all know, that our PD lectures are quite creative and helpful for everyone, isn't?
Yes, yes.
So this time also, I have brought a very interesting session for those aspirants who want to flourish in life. Because goal setting plays a vital role in our career. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, in today's session, I want to share 5 essential tips that how to achieve your goal faster. Now, instead of you giving lengthy explanation, I have decided something short that is easier to remember and important for you. So, are you ready, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So, let's have a look at. My first point is set specific and quality goals. That's right. Friends, if you want to achieve your goal faster, you need to be specific about it. It means what you want to achieve. Isn't? Now I have seen many people, they don't know what they want to do with their goals. Now this is the main reason. In spite of so many sources are available, but some people just live an average life. Let's look at an example. Suppose that your goals are, you want to earn a lot of money, you want to buy a new car, you want to lose your weight and look great, you want to run a marathon. Now, these goals are common. I'm sure all these goals have in your mind. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because they are super common and great goals. But I could say around 90% people are unsuccess to achieve these simple goals. Have you wondered? Chongai. But you know why only 10% people are success to achieve these simple goals? What they do differently? Actually, they are specific about their goals. For example, you want to earn a lot of money. But how much money? 100, 1000, lakh, million? You want to buy a new car. Which car? You want to lose your weight. But how much weight? You are not specific about it. If you are specific about your goals, you will start visualizing things better. For example, I want to earn a lot of money, $1 million within a year. I want to buy BMW 5 Series car. I want to lose my 5 kg weight within 2 months. Now, these are specific goals. And when you set specific goals, you will ask yourself a question that how should I achieve this? So guys, be specific about your goals. Otherwise, you are just shooting a bullet in the air meaninglessly without any direction. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rima. What do you think about this?
I agree with you, ma'am. Here I would like to say, friends, as we all know, if we have a specific goal, we live our life with more authenticity. For example, everyone knows about Mother Teresa. Everyone knows?
Yes, ma'am.
Mother Teresa, at the age of 12, she finalized her goal to serving human beings and become mother of all. Agree with me? Yes, continue, Lalita.
Yes, now I am coming my next point. My next point is set goal that motivate you Now you have set your specific goal, right? It is also important that they motivate you. It means they are important for you. If you are set so many goals, your motivation could be divided. So set one goal only, high priority goal. And if you set out of limit goal, then your motivation certain to be die and you will leave them on halfway. Agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
So set goals that within your limit. For example, you want to earn $1 million. Agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
But presently you are earning only $100 or $1,000. It can be possible? Not possible. These are out of limit goals. So set realistic goals that they motivate you. I call this type of goal wallet size goals. Got it? So set realistic and within your limit goals, and they will make you want to jump out of the bed. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, Seema, what do you think?
Yes, ma'am. We all know motivation is very necessary to do anything creative in our life. Here, I would like to give my own example. When I thought want to be expert and fluent in English, that time I also need motivation, and which I got from my family members, my dearest colleagues, and my respected sir, Mr. Manoj Sharma. And today, friends, I get many compliments for my lecture on YouTube, and it was really surprised me a lot. Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now I am coming my next point. Set high priority of goals. Yes, friends, you have set specific as well as realistic and within your limit goals. Agree with me? Now, when you set specific goal, it is also important that you have to set high priority goals. Like, I want to be a good pedagogue. I want to be a doctor. I want to be an engineer. Set high priority of goals, one goal. Got it? When you set high priority of goals, two things always keep in your mind. That I am a confident person and I can do everything. And second thing, that goal achievement requires dedication, commitment and focus. Then you will achieve your goal easily. Got it? So set high priority of goals and they are within your limit, realistic and pay less attention. Irrelative goals and unimportant goals. Got it? Yes, Seema? Continue here.
Thank you, ma'am. Friends, I would like to suggest you, please follow my time management program. Suppose if you have to do 4 works in a day, 4 tasks in a day, then what will you do? We will divide into parts. Here I will like this example in Hindi also. अगर मुझे 4 काम करने हैं, 4 टास्क पूरे करने हैं इन अ सिंगल डे, तो मैं उसको फर्स्ट डिवाइड करूंगी. लाइक फर्स्ट वर्क मुझे करना है, आई हैव टू बी एक्सपर्ट इन इंग्लिश एंड फ्लुएंट इन इंग्लिश. देन दिस इज माय फर्स्ट, आई प्रेफर फर्स्ट, आई विल गिव हर इट्स नेम ए, और मुझे पीडी क्लास जाना ही है, इसलिए मैंने इसे ए पे रखा. इन बी टास्क पे मैं रखूंगी कि मुझे अपनी डाइट के लिए प्लान करना है, मुझे अपनी डाइट केयर, आई हैव टू बी केयरफुल अबाउट माय डाइट. It is also important, but it is A, task A is very important than B. C task, I can say I have to wash clothes. It's not important. I can manage it another day. It's not compulsory for today I have to do it. I can do it another day. And task D, I have to watch TV, movie, a serial. It's not compulsory. It's not necessary at all. Here I have to do 4 tasks A, B, C, D. सबसे पहले मुझे क्या टास्क कंप्लीट करना है? A. I know मुझे A टास्क करना है. I have to be expert in English. I have to fluent in English. So I have to go regular in my class. मुझे सब काम छोड़ के मुझे सबसे पहले ये देखना है कि मुझे इस टास्क को कंप्लीट करने के लिए मुझे अपनी पीडी क्लास जाना ही है. Second वर्क B is also important. I have to do care अबाउट माई डाइट, अपनी डाइट भी देखनी है, लेकिन मैं फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस रखूंगी ए को. देन बी, वॉशिंग क्लोथ्स इज अनदर एस्पेक्ट, इसको मैं नेक्स्ट डे भी कर सकती हूँ. और डी, इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी एट ऑल, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी एट ऑल. मुझे टीवी देखना है, मूवी देखनी है, उसको मैं अवॉइड भी कर सकती हूँ या एनी अदर डे भी देख सकती हूँ. सो यू विल नॉट डिस्ट्रैक्ट एंड रिमेन सीरियस टू कंप्लीटिंग ए टास्क विच इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टू डू इटसेल्फ टुडे. हमें आज करना है तो आज ही करना है. अगर हमें लाइफ में किसी गोल को अचीव करना है तो हमें सिस्टमेटिक वे में चलना पड़ेगा. एंड सेम केस यू कैन अप्लाई प्रायोरिटाइज इन योर गोल. सेम सिस्टम आप अपने गोल को अचीव करने के लिए कर सकते हैं. एग्री विथ मी?
That's nice. Friends, now I am coming my next point, that define timeline for your goals. That's right. Friends, now you have set your specific, realistic as well as high priority of goals. Right? Now it's time to take an action. How do you do this? Suppose that you want to earn $1 million. This is your specific goal. Agree with me?
Yes.
But when do you want to achieve your goal? Ask yourself a question. Then, if you set specific as well as with deadline goal, then they will provide you necessary to focus to make them reality. Got it? So, when you set deadlines, ask for yourself a question that when I want to achieve my goal, and then take an action and follow these tips. Got it? And this is a good idea to examine your goal regularly, and you can leave them unimportant and irrelative, unworthy goals. Agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rima, continue.
Yes, ma'am. Friends, we all know time and tide waits for none. Punctuality is the biggest strength for every person. So, we should set a deadline for a task. You can go through my previous YouTube lectures where I taught many ways to flourish in life. Thank you.
That's nice. My next point is visualize to have a first-hand feeling of yourself. Yes, friends, this is the most important step that you want to achieve your goal faster in your life. Suppose that your goal is you want to earn a lot of money, right? Or you want to start your own business. And guys, we all have different goals. Agree with me? You want to be a good pedagogue, you want to be a good scientist, you want to be an engineer, right? We all have different goals. But you know, goals gives us a purpose and they are like a compass. Agree with me? Now here I suggest you that visualization doesn't grant it. They are only the powerful way to achieve your goal faster. Got it? So set within your limit goals. Don't set hard goals. Then bigger than your ability. Then you can achieve them easily. So set realistic, high priority and within your limit goals. Then you can achieve them easily. Yes, Rima, what do you say about this?
I totally agree with you, my friend. Proper goal setting is quite necessary for us. Proper goal setting is quite necessary to make us successful. And I can say I have learned hope always for the best and prepare for the worst. We should follow the path of truthfulness and accept whatever universe is presenting us. Agree?
Yes.
So, endly, I want to say you that set specific, realistic and within your limit goals. Got it? And I hope you will feel really different after this session. Agree with me?
Yes.
And I hope this session you have found really useful and motivating you. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and because your appreciation gives me motivate to deliver such a lecture in abundance. So please be with us because we have lots of session for you that would make your life much better.